Oh my goodness, guy. Do y'all not know what y'all missing? Only right here on Dad's Kitchen, baby. Nobody does it better. What's up, YouTube? Today right here on Dad's Kitchen, right here on the Kareem family, I'm about to be whipping up some chicken fajitas for y'all, man. I haven't did a chicken fajita, man. I've been getting a lot of DMs asking to do chicken fajitas, so I'm gonna whip up a chicken fajita for you guys, and I hope you enjoy the video, man. So stay tuned. We're gonna wash our hands and get into this. Get over here. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing, lovely people? So first thing first, today right here, what we do on Dad's Kitchen always is we wash them hands, man. For those that's new here, I'm gonna need y'all to like, subscribe, comment down below, man. Share this video with your family, your friends, your loved ones, and all them good stuff, you know what I'm saying? And these are real easy and you know, real easy to make, man. You know, so I want to show y'all what we're working with. Get over here. And this is what we got. We got red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, onion. You can use red onion, but I would prefer red onion. We got the chicken breast. We're gonna slice that in half. We got some fresh garlic. We got garlic salt. We got Lawry's. We got red pepper. We got onion pepper, paprika for the spice, and a little black pepper. Okay, guys? So what I'm gonna do now here, guys, is I'm going to prep everything, cut off these bell peppers and this onion and all that good stuff, and I'm gonna be back at y'all on a hot flash, man. I hope y'all enjoying y'all New Year so far, man, cause 2020 went about if y'all feel me. So and guys, I'm gonna need you guys, whoever's watching this video ain't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Turn that post notification on and stop waiting, man, for y'all miss all these good videos, man, the Kareem family putting out, man. We got bangers, man. We got bangers. So go ahead and subscribe, man, and share these videos with your family, your friends, and your loved ones, man. I'm about to prep up these veggies. I'll be back in the hot one. Peace. And so now, guys, we got these veggies. We got these veggies thinly sliced up. And you just want to go some olive oil to coat the bottom, right? We're gonna saute these veggies up. And I'm gonna show y'all how these veggies look. Nice, beautiful. Get all over here. Don't those look so gorgeous, guys? Man, look at that color in that, man. It's just beautiful. And you want to use a cast iron skillet, man. You don't have a cast iron skillet, feel free to use you know, a non-stick pan, wok, whatever you got, man. So we're gonna go in with the veggies. I'm gonna come back and show y'all how I cut this meat up, because you guys want to cut this meat up the way I'm gonna show you, so your dish can come out delicious like Dad's way. Because if you want it the pound way, you do it Dad's way. Right here on Dad's Kitchen, man. Nobody does it better. I'll be back at y'all in a hot minute. Peace. So now, grease is hot. What we want to do is we want to drop a little fresh garlic up in there. Drop that fresh garlic up in there, you know. We're going to drop them onion, bell pepper. Onion and bell pepper up in there. And we're going to let that make its magic. We're going to let that make its magic, guys. Wow, this continues to cook. Excuse me, guys. When this continue to cook, oh my goodness, I was starting to smell that already. That garlic, that aroma. So anyway, guys, get over here. When that continue to cook, I'll be back at y'all. I know I said I'm gonna show you how to cut this meat up, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. I'm gonna wash my hands. We're gonna get right into this. Peace. And so yeah, guys, once you drop them in, I'm gonna need you guys to season these veggies up, right? Go with a little Lawry's. We're gonna go Lawry's garlic salt. You can use garlic powder. Little onion powder, cause you got onion already in there. enhance the flavor. Bam. Paprika or chili powder. I prefer paprika. Better taste. And it leaves a color on your, you know, food and your veggies. So a little paprika, spice it up a little bit. We're gonna go with a little lamb and pepper, baby, a little bit, okay? Now that's that. Oh my goodness, if you guys can smell that. Now I want y'all to stir these veggies in, right? To stir these veggies in real good. You wanna cook these veggies on like a medium high. Not too high. You don't want to go high. You can start off high to get the grease hot or your olive oil hot. I use olive oil. Okay, you can use any cooking grease you like. But I'm using olive oil on this, okay? So, you just want to cook these for about 7 minutes, man. You want these, guys, I do not like soggy vegetables. If you like soggy vegetables or you can't chew it up, crunch it, you know, I like a little crunch. Not too much, but a little bit of crunch on my veggies, man. So, I'm gonna cook mine 7 minutes. They come out bomb. You want it the bomb's way, you do it Dad's way. Right here on Dad's Kitchen, man. So now, guys, lovely veggies is ready. And what you would like to do is just drop these. Oh my goodness, guys. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Scrape all that garlic out. And you just want to return that back to the eye. And we have your lovely veggies here, guys. So, next, come over here. What we gonna do, guys, now is like I told y'all, right? Is we just want to cut this chicken up. So you want to slice it in thin slices. Okay? Thin slices. Okay? So if your chicken's too thick, cut it down the middle, which mine is. If your breast is too thin, just slice it just like that. Y'all with me? Watch this. At an angle. See that? You don't want to be biting in the, unless you want chunks. You know, ain't nothing wrong with chunky chicken. You know? So, that's that. And I'm just gonna cut that fat off around there. Cause we don't do the fat. No, we don't do the fat, man. Not right here on Dad's Kitchen. I know it's been a minute, I ain't cooked nothing. If you guys wanna see me whip something up, man, leave a comment. I don't know why you guys act like y'all scared to leave comments. I got people watching my videos, so I know they're watching. So if you're watching the video, feel free to leave a comment, man. I comment back, baby. You know what I'm saying? I comments back. You know, ain't no disrespect, man. You know, just keep the comments clean and enjoy the video, man. And that's right there, right? That's that, right? And what we're gonna do now, guys, hold on for a minute, is what we're gonna do now is we just gonna wash this meat off. We're gonna rinse this meat off, right? Cause I like to rinse all my meat off, man. Right here on Dad's Kitchen, that's what we do. We rinse all our meat off, guys. So that's that, right? Just rinse him off real good. And we're gonna go over there back to that same frying pan with all that delicious seasoning over there, right? And we're just gonna dump this meat in there. Get over here. Y'all with me? So, we're gonna dump this meat in there. Hear that sizzle? Now, that's that, right? Now, what I want y'all to do, guys, is I want you guys to put some more seasoning on that meat. Real simple, man. Did y'all see how I just did all that? Now we're gonna go Lawry seasoning, right? You're gonna go garlic salt, right? we're gonna go paprika, right? Little onion powder. And we're gonna go black pepper on this one. We ain't gonna use lemon pepper because we use it on the veggies and I can taste it on the veggies. So that's black pepper. Got it? So that's all the seasonings, guys. We're gonna put on there. And we just wanna cook this meat till it browns. You know, we're gonna cook this on a high. You know, we're gonna cook this on a high. And we just gonna let it do its thing, guys. The smell, guys. The smell. I know I've been MIA. Dad's Kitchen ain't cooked nothing for over a week. We've been doing a lot of other family, you know, things together. And, you know, sometimes we need a break, man. You know what I'm saying? You know, sometimes this is a job, man. YouTube's a job, man. It's not easy, man. Social media will drain you, man. Definitely drain you. So, you know, sometimes you gotta, you know, do something with your family, man. And even though we always do something, but, you know, like I said, it's kind of hard, you know, to just do YouTube 24 hours a day, man. You gotta have a break, man. You gotta have a break. So, we giving y'all this live and direct right here on Dad's Kitchen, man. You love it, you want it the Bubba's way, you do it Dad's way, man. When this meat finished browning, I want y'all to cook this, flip it over, cook it for a good, I say 12 to 15 minutes, man, on high at first till it get hot. Then bam, turn it down to like a medium high, man, and cook that for about 12 to 15 minutes, man. And I'm gonna show y'all the finished results right here on Dad's Kitchen, man. Nobody does it better. If you want it the Bomb's way, you do it Dad's way, right here on Dad's Kitchen. Peace. Now, guys, all I'm gonna want you guys to do, the chicken's done, right? Check it out. Nice, beautiful golden brown. Just add them veggies back in there, man. Oh my goodness, guys. If this ain't gonna be screaming, I don't know what to tell y'all, man. If this ain't gonna be screaming, man, don't hate the player, man. Don't hate the player. That's all I'm saying, man. Don't hate the player, baby. I think that's enough. I'm finna warm these tortillas up. All y'all need to do is put that back in there, stir that up, turn it down low, man, and let it warm back up them veggies, man. Take it out. And man, y'all about to have some smacklicious on here on Dad's Kitchen, man. I'm gonna show y'all the finished results, man. We gonna take a bite for y'all right here on Dad's Kitchen. I'll be back in the hot one. Peace. Ready?
Yep.
There you have it, guys. Nice, sizzling, hot fajita, chicken fajita, right here on Dad's Kitchen, man. Nobody does it better. Show them that, man. Show them that. How bomb and delicious they look.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, guys. Man, you see them tortillas right there? You see them tortillas? I'm about to bite this. I know y'all want me to bite one of these for y'all, man. Do y'all want me to bite into that? Look at that. It's just delicious. Look. Just veggies all through that. Look at all that meat. Oh my goodness. Now, what y'all need to know is don't nobody do it better than Dad's way. Because if you want it the Bomb way, you do it Dad's way. Right here on Dad's Kitchen, boy. If you need to subscribe, quit waiting. Quit waiting. What you waiting on? Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Man, tired of telling them that. They tripping. Come over here if I can show them what we working with. Now, what we gonna do right here on Dad's Kitchen for my peoples that's down that's down with me, I'm gonna give y'all a taster test right here on Dad's Kitchen. So, man, my mouth watering, I can't wait. So check this out, guys. You wanna do it like that, right? You can put it in the whole one, but I just wanna taste. Sour cream in this thing. Y'all with me? Bam, y'all see that? Now, let me say my prayers real quick. Amen. Watch there.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, hold on. That jalapeno was too juicy, sorry guys. God. There you have it. A perfect, lovely fajita meal. Oh my goodness, guys. Do y'all not know what y'all missing? Only right here on Dad's Kitchen, baby. Nobody does it better. Guys, the jalapeno was so juicy. The fajita was so bomb. Perfect. Man, I'm about to grub, man. Man, leave a comment, man. Press that subscribe button, man, and hit them like button. Let's get this video to at least 50 likes, man. Come on, man. 50 likes. Let's do this, man. Right here on the Kareem family, man. I'm out of here. To the next one, right here on Dad's Kitchen. Love, peace, and happiness. Peace.